Chennai Super Kings are back in action today after a break of 1 week. They had a hectic first week. They played 3 matches in a week and they had a longish break. Captain Dhoni, after their third match, had told that they have time to regroup, to set things in place. They had issues with their bowling, with their batting, so basically they had to rework their combination. Hopefully, for the CSK fans, there would be some answers, and hopefully by today. They are taking on an informed SRH. Informed in the sense they had a very good game last week. After the initial 2 losses, they had a brilliant match thanks to Rashid Khan, Natarajan, and Kane Williamson. So it's going to be a great game today. Let's discuss the sides where Chennai. Let's go to Chennai. As we said, their combinations, Dhoni and Fleming would have had a longish chat, and they would have had enough discussions to see who all fits which all slots. Shane Watson has not started in this tournament. He has had a poor run in the last 3 matches. So has his partner Murli Vijay. So it's remain to be seen if both of them would hold on to their slots. But there are not enough replacements in that squad. They have Ruturaj Gaikwad and N. Jagadishan of Tamil Nadu, the wicketkeeper batsman. They might get a look in case as Dwayne Bravo is fit to play again for CSK. So they might take a chance to rest Shane Watson and play Dwayne Bravo and open with Ruturaj Gaikwad and Jagadishan. It remains to be seen because Murli Vijay has also not been in great form. Faf du Plessis has been the lone warrior, and Rayudu, who won the first match for them, is back. He's fit, so definitely Rayudu would be playing as number 3. Dhoni, Jadeja, and who the all-rounders would be. Sam Curran has done enough for Dhoni to retain him. Hopefully he would be retained, especially because he gives a variety as a left-arm seamer as well. The bowling definitely has not done well. Deepak Chahar has not had a great start to the IPL, and Josh Hazelwood, who played last game, he might retain because he's an excellent bowler. He would definitely add some strength to the CSK side. Jadeja and Piyush Chawla have definitely disappointed. It remains to be seen if Imran Tahir gets a look in also. The combinations would have been worked out. Let's watch out how Chennai brings in their playing 11 today. SRH, I don't think there would be any changes at all because they had a great game last match. The addition of Kane Williamson to the side has definitely given them some potency. Their middle order looks stronger. It was the lone weakness, and now it's looking pretty good. And the addition of Abdul Samad, the devastating, hard-hitting batsman from Jammu, he's been giving high hopes. VVS Lakshman has in fact handpicked him after the Ranji Trophy season. He was the highest. He had the highest number of sixes in Ranji Trophy cricket, and he has some potential, and hope that we have a new star in the making. So their bowling was excellent, especially T. Natarajan, who came up with brilliant Yorkers. His control was exceptional, and also Rashid Khan. He had a great match the other night. They have Bhuvaneshwar Kumar also is in form. Khalil Ahmed, he just started the last game, so I think he would be a bit rusty. He's also a potential match winner for them. There is nothing to be mentioned about Warner and Bairstow. They are an awesome pair. If they are off to a great start, it is sure that they would get enough runs for that because the bowling is exceptional. So it depends on how many runs SRH puts up, because anything above 160 I feel is defendable considering their bowling as well as the poor batting form of CSK. So exciting match on cards, especially because both teams have just won a single game out of 3. It's CSK versus SRH. Let's wait and see if Dhoni has got all the answers for the numerous questions that have been posted against him.